every time. Oh my God, he's got loads of them. Have a go at that for a haul. Look, they're even falling out. That would be 30 plus there. Something was definitely tugging at that. There he is.
Oh no.
No, Joe. Morning guys, welcome to the video. Yes, it's pouring rain. We can't do much fishing at the moment. So I'd nick down here to the water just to show you what it's like. Yes, it's windy, it's rainy, it's rough seas. Have a look at that. Yeah, very ordinary. But Joe and I managed to get out just the day before the rain started. So here's what happened there. He's not bad at that. I was just talking to someone who's just casting a popper off the rock here, hooked a trevally. Just as he got it in, a shark come and took it. Right here off the rocks. Oh look, he's got something too. What on earth is that?
I think it's the same one I caught last time.
Oh really? Cool. Plenty of oysters around here. Only the small milky ones though. Reef shoes on, or whatever you want to call them. Joe said he sliced his foot open on those oysters a few weeks back. Damn, he gets it every time. Snagged on something. Oh, there's a couple in there. Yeah, mullet there. Oh yeah, 2 mullet and 2 whatever they are. Oh, they're a little brim or something. Oh no, they're not brim. Mullet. We reckon we put this guy out.
I know.
Alright, I'm going to go and put him on right now. I know, just through the shoulder there. Just like that. I'll get him out there. Fairly strong wind coming across. He's just swum back in. I might toss him off the point here. No, he's just swimming back in. It's a bit heavy. I think he might be snagged. What happened to him? Where's he taking me? Yeah, just let him go. Snagged on something. He's still there. He's still alive too. Hey? Can't hear. What did you say?
We got two live here. Yours and that was another one. We go up to Jetty.
Oh yeah? Joking. Trying a new spot. Oh my God, he's got loads of them. Have a go at that for a haul. Look, they're even falling out behind you. Wow, yeah. Wow, there's some bait there, I'll tell you what. Oh, we've got rod holders here. That's it. He likes the shelter of this little cove, this guy, but I want him out there. Oh, maybe he's alright there.
There's something.
No, he's just trying to get into the shelter. I want him out there. But no, maybe he's alright there. Something was definitely tugging at that. There he is. Maybe not. I'll tighten the drag, yeah. What do you reckon? No, Joe.
Oh no.
Still got him? Oh yeah.
A little corrally. Just swallowed the sucker, man. Not big enough to eat, man.
Yeah, a bit small, that one. That's what I reckon too, yeah. Worst things they could be doing. Just get one about double that size, Joe. It's good when you're casting with the wind. Beautiful.
Something about twice that size would be nice.
Just, yeah, twice the size. They'll sort out dinner.
If I'll get it in.
Lose him.
That's what you use a 6 pound line.
Oh, no. Did you see it at all? No. This is the Johnson River, eh?
Yeah.
Good looking river.
Yeah.
Bloody good looking river. Heavy in here for sure, yeah.
Too hard, I'm too scared.
Does it feel bigger or? Oh, it's pulling wide.
Using this rod again.
I don't think so, no. That time of day. Cheers. Joe's inside soaking his foot, he's injured. He's got an ingrown toenail or something like that. Well, that wasn't a bad session today. Could have been better, but Joe got a little GT. Certainly got a lot of bait from the cast net. And hopefully we have better luck tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Not a bad deal, I don't look at that. So, no real luck. We've got a lot of bait to go on with though, so the bait's going to come in handy. The GD, well, if that was a little bit bigger, we'd have kept it, but a little bit small. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully the rain stops soon and we'll go and do some fishing. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.